I told you no 1,000 times. Don't try to make me change my mind. You see, I'm happy where I am, and I don't need your cheap kind. I told my
Hey there, folks. T. Buckley here, and we are into day one of our train trip out to Moncton. We left from Edmonton last night at 11:30, and we just went through Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. As I'm sure you can probably tell, it's pretty flat out here. Beautiful. And this is our window in our very small but cozy room. My bed. And oh!
Hello, everybody.
How are you, sir?
Oh, doing good. Had a very uncomfortable sleep. Probably mostly from my morning doing, but great to be on the train. Had an awesome breakfast this morning and pretty stoked about the day to come. Talked to Brady, the drummer, who's in Saskatoon. We are pretty stoked to get on to the next one.
Oh, yes. So this is Derek's sleeping quarters, the top bunk. I am on the bottom bunk. There's our guitars. Here's our sink. So you can see it's pretty tiny in here, but does the trick. Oh, there I am. Look at that. And that's the front door. Okay. So, yeah, I guess that's all for now. We're going to play, I think our first set today is at 3 o'clock, and we're very excited about it. Report back later.
Go give your heart to someone else, then maybe you'll see for yourself and understand the reason why I told you no 1,000 times. You'll understand the reason why I told